Welcome to Dating Quest, your trusted source for expert guidance and practical advice on relationships. Today we're tackling the complex yet transformative journey of navigating no contact, a powerful tool for rebuilding trust and deepening connections. Join us as we delve deeper into the transformative journey of navigating no contact. No contact can be a potent tool for creating much-needed space and clarity in a relationship. It's a strategic pause, a quiet space where healing and self-discovery take place. It's an opportunity to reassess priorities, break unhealthy patterns, and heal from past hurts. Remember, no contact is not about punishment or avoidance. It's about choosing to step back, to reflect, to grow. It's about understanding that sometimes the best way to move forward is to first take a step back. Remember, no contact is not a punishment or avoidance tactic, but a chance for introspection and growth. Before embarking on the journey of no contact, it's essential to take time for self-reflection and healing. Delve into your emotions, uncover those hidden triggers, and don't be afraid to seek support from trusted friends or professionals. This period is about you, about understanding your feelings, and about healing from past wounds. Remember, healing isn't a race, it's a journey. It's a crucial step towards laying a solid foundation for rebuilding trust and connection. Clear communication is key when navigating no contact. It's about setting clear boundaries and expectations. You and your partner or ex-partner should be on the same page about the duration and purpose of this period. It's essential to respect each other's need for space, but also remain open to dialogue when you both feel ready. Remember, respect and open dialogue are the cornerstones of a successful no-contact period. This process isn't easy, but it's a pivotal step in fostering personal growth and rebuilding trust and connection. The no-contact period is an excellent opportunity for personal growth and self-improvement. This is your chance to reconnect with yourself, to engage in activities that bring you joy, to nurture your passions, and to invest in your well-being. Perhaps you've always wanted to learn a new language, or take up painting, or even start a fitness journey. Now's the time. Rediscover your identity outside of the relationship and cultivate a sense of self-love and fulfillment. As the no-contact period concludes, approach reconnecting with honesty, vulnerability, and patience. Start with small moments like casual conversations or shared activities. These are the building blocks for trust. Gradually, as trust grows, intimacy can be rekindled. Understand that this process requires patience and mutual effort. Each step forward is a testament to your resilience and a tribute to the bond you're rebuilding. Remember, rebuilding a relationship is a journey, taken one step at a time. Navigating no contact is a journey of patience, self-awareness, and compassion. We've explored its purpose, the importance of self-reflection, setting boundaries, personal growth, and rebuilding trust. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. Thank you for joining us at Dating Quest. Subscribe for more valuable insights and practical advice on relationships. Until next time, keep exploring, growing, and thriving together.